a story which a Shaykh As-Sa'di, Abdul Rahman As-Sa'di, the Shaykh of Shaykh ibn Uthaymeen, mentioned. He said that there was a scholar and he used to teach people knowledge, and then he died. So he passed away, this scholar. So one of his students saw him in the dream. So he said to the student in the dream, do you remember that I used to give this fatwa on this particular issue? I'm receiving, Allah has given me a lot of reward for this fatwa. And this fatwa was what? This fatwa was what the teacher gave, and then his student who succeeded him gave the same fatwa, and the fatwa spread. So the fatwa of which the teacher initially had given, and now his student was giving, all the reward of that fatwa was being received by his teacher after his death. So this is the most important thing when it comes to knowledge.